Hi there, it's me, Kat, and welcome back to where I bake random things. So today I'm just going to be making some chocolate mousse, or I don't know how to say it. I'm just trying to probably pronounce it mousse this entire time, so don't mind me. So, today I'm not getting the recipe from Betty Crocker, I'm getting it from the internet. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I need to first make the chocolate spread, which I'm using a totally different recipe. So that, we'll have to do that first. Butter. Yes, this is butter, believe it or not, and I'm going to use it for chocolate spread. It's really soft because it's been sitting out for a really long time. Like, yeah. Now, I have some honey because this honey is good honey and it's all natural, organic, raw. I don't know how honey would be cooked, but okay. And then I have cocoa powder because that's what I got to do, you know? You have to make some sacrifices in life. Some of the sacrifices have to be using cocoa powder. Now, I just gotta go over here. So now I don't look like I'm literally a light bulb. Move this stuff aside. So we're gonna start by taking the butter. This is a cup, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna yank this off. Ew. It says unsalted butter, but I'm using salted butter because why not? So, wheat, that's in there. And I'm also going to add the honey, which I need 3 tablespoons of it. I got this from a British baking show. No, it's not the Great British Baking Show, a different British baking show. And, so I had to do a lot of measurements earlier to find out how many milliliters is this, and I couldn't. Alright, I'm back. I put that in 2 more times and washed out the tablespoon measurement. So I'm just going to yeet that back into the cabinet where it belongs, and yes, now we need to blend it together. I'm going to remember to plug this in this time. It's kind of sweet. I think I can probably taste that. You can taste the honey in there. I'm adding a bit of sugar. No. Because I'm evil and stuff. Ha 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 ha. Now, sugar be gone. Alright, so I'm just gonna blend that in a little bit more. Alright, there. So now I'm gonna add the cocoa. Turn on. Oh, that doesn't sound too smooth. No, just no. I'm gonna dry you out, even though I know my hands are gonna be covered in chocolate after this. Wash off my hands. Now, you know me, I always put the stuff away as I go along, but I needed the cocoa powder again later for the other recipe for the actual chocolate mousse, so crazy. So now I'm just gonna blend this in some more. Doesn't look like chocolate spread yet, and I'm inhaling the chocolate powder. not kind of, like really chunky. So I'm just gonna add some milk, a little bit of milk, not a ton, because that would be a fail. Now, that seems to work. So, the milk I'm gonna also need later. So there we have our chunky chocolate spread. So now I'm gonna start on the mousse. I'm going to take a cup of this. So, cup measurement, here I cup. Nope, not in there. Ah, here's one. I'm just gonna scoop out all of this stuff. Alright, that's about a cup full. So now I'm just going to get a microwavable bowl. Put the milk bowl. How much milk do we need exactly? Oh yeah, tiny measurement cup. I'm gonna have to fill this twice. I need 50 milliliters, which I'm way too lazy to use that there. Ah, milk is flattering. That's 50 milliliters. In you go. And then I'm just gonna go grab a spoon. And spoon the stuff out in there. Alright, there we go. Now I'm just going to pop this into the microwave like it says. It says enough to make a runny kind of texture, and it says this should not take more than 20 seconds. I put it in for 20 seconds. It's done absolutely nothing. Put it in for 30 seconds then. It's not really mixing in well with the milk, so good thing I brought this guy. There, that's mixing a lot better now. And put that aside to cool, and I'm not going to throw that away. So now I'm going to get another bowl and eat you over there. Dang it. Tastes good though. Heavy cream. I'm gonna need how much heavy cream exactly? Where did I put that little card? I wrote down everything. 600 milliliters. So I'm just going to fill this to 106 times. Oh, okay. Oh, no, way too much. 4. I lost count. Dang it. I think that's 4. 5. 6. Okay, I think that's it. Tastes like cream. So now I'm going to put the flour in as well. And as British people call it, icing sugar, which is just powdered sugar. Alright, I've just been getting the stuff ready. So I'm gonna need 3 tablespoons. So it turns out these have tablespoon measurements on them, so I'm just gonna use those. And me, being the person I am, just decided to, put the liquid in first. Yippee! Now I have to dry that out. Well, I tried to. Now you can just go over there, because I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to see that ugliness. So we just have the cream in here. Smells weird. Okay. What am I going to use to get this out? tablespoons. Okay, I need 3. Dig it out. That should probably be more than enough. Tastes like powdered sugar. Get in there. Now I'm just gonna grab the flour and stuff. That should be more than enough again. My hoodie is covered in this stuff. And I have a little bit of chocolate on there. It's okay. This isn't working. I'm turning it on high. It's like snow. I don't even know anymore. So now, it's not ready yet, but I think I'm just gonna add a bit of this in there. It doesn't look like it is, but it is. And I'm just gonna put that down for a second and yeet the rest of that in there. That's good. Still not the right consistency, and this video is really long. Finally, the right consistency. It's very thick and tasty. So what do I do next? I'm covered in stuff. The counter is covered, like that. That's just from striking my hand across the counter. This thing turned on because some of the stuff splattered on it. But let's see. And I believe it's done now. You just kind of. It's not as thick as it should be, probably, but you can take a small bowl. I have these adorable little cat bowls here that are made for rice bowls, I think. But I can just dump some of that in, I guess. And just, I'm not sure why I want to do this, but dust it with a little bit of cocoa powder. So I'm just going to clean up, and when this is done, or like when I'm done cleaning up, I will show you the finished product. Hi everyone, I'm back, and I have finished this recipe. If you want to see what it looks like, it's basically, I think I can come over here to show you, just the chocolate mousse with a little bit of chocolate powder on it. It's not the right consistency that it should be, but I think it turned out pretty good, and I'm going to see how this tastes. It's good. I like it, which is good. So, thank you for watching this video. If you want to make this recipe, I don't think I listed everything. You might want to look up Look up Nadia's Time to Eat, which is the show I got it from. Chocolate Mousse, which is not spelled mousse. It's Mousse. So, thanks for watching. And goodbye.